Hey friend, while I'm drafting the script of this video, ChatGPT 4 has already hit the market, marking a new epoch in technological innovation and what I refer to as the AI revolution of the century. This superlative invention has accelerated the pace of the technological rat race, leaving us in awe of its unprecedented capabilities. If you haven't heard about ChatGPT yet, it's a thrilling new technology created by OpenAI, an American artificial intelligence research laboratory with the aim of improving and promoting friendly AI. This is actually a chatbot that can answer all your wild questions and provide solutions to your day-to-day problems. It can be your teacher or your research assistant. It knows pretty much everything. When I first used ChatGPT, it felt like I'd found the magic lamp with the genie in it, and I could ask him to do anything for me, except making me sing high notes like Ariana Grande. AI has the potential to revolutionize virtually every industry, from healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing. With its ability to automate tasks, make predictions, and analyze data at scale, AI has the power to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and drive innovation in ways that were once unimaginable. As a human, it has raised a big question. What will be our place in that tech-driven world? Now, it's imperative for you to sit down, grab a pen and a paper, and contemplate the following queries. What shall I do in the future when the planet Earth is dominated by tech giants? What will be the sole reason for my existence during that era? What will be my role in that futuristic world? How will I thrive in that era of competition? I undertook this introspective exercise a few months ago when I was reading Deep Work by Cal Newport. What I have learned from this book is, you need to be in one of these three categories to secure your place in the future world. You should be a machine enthusiast, which means you like to work with machines, robots, or technological gadgets. You should possess talent to showcase your ability to inspire people and get their attention. Lastly, you should possess a large fortune to dominate all these industries. Let me break down each category into smaller pieces to get a better understanding and a clearer picture. In our first category, you should be able to deal with robots, AI, or machines. As time passes, new technology is being introduced into the market. Similarly, there is a growing need for skilled workers capable of working with computers, machines, and artificial intelligence. This applies to all fields that will be empowered by robots and artificial intelligence. This new revolution will take away jobs from thousands and provide new opportunities to millions. You can be the one to benefit from this if you adapt to new technology and learn how to operate it for better use and to provide value. One important thing to remember is that technology's goal is to provide ease and solve problems. Modern-day problems require smart solutions. Your problem-solving skills combined with your knowledge of futuristic technology will help you thrive in those competitive times. In the next category are people who are prodigies or possess some sort of talent that provides value to others. In this category, we have people who are actors, singers, and musicians. They possess talents that thrive on human connection. Of course, a singing robot will only appease an audience of robots, not humans. People who fall into our third category are those who possess capital. People who are insanely rich. Well, I'm not going to tell you how to become a billionaire. I just intend to show the relationship between these three categories. Although rich people can greatly benefit from the AI revolution by investing their coins, but in what place does the common man stand with limited or no capital at all? If you look closely, these three categories are interlinked like the three corners of a triangle. Skilled people can make a fortune by solving problems in the modern world. Elon Musk is a skilled person in technology, and so he invested his time in effort to build multitask companies in various fields of life. And so he is one of the richest men on earth. Rihanna, a beautiful singer from Barbados, is both a performer and an entrepreneur. As of 2023, Rihanna has a dizzying net worth of $1.7 billion, positioning her as the wealthiest singer in the entire world, all thanks to her amazing singing talent. Now, let's understand this all-round equation. Time plus talent or skill is equal to money. The more time you spend learning a skill, the more problems you solve, and in result, more money you will make. This money will help you thrive in any circumstances that the modern world will offer. In conclusion, the technological revolution of our time is rapidly changing the world we live in, and it's important to adapt to these changes to thrive. To succeed in the future, you need to possess the right set of skills, knowledge, and attitude towards technology. Whether it's learning new technological tools, honing your talent, or acquiring capital, you need to be proactive and innovative in your approach. By embracing the AI revolution and finding your niche, you can thrive in the future and create a prosperous life for yourself. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to the Better Version Academy. I'll see you in the next video.